Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to host on VRBO app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Hosting on VRBO through the VRBO app is a straightforward process. What you need to do is first download and open the VRBO app. So head over to your app store and then on the search bar type in VRBO, and then you'll get the VRBO icon like this. Tap on that and simply tap on the get button to download the app. Now once the app has been downloaded, tap on open, and once you tap on open, here what you need to do is log into your account or create a new account if you don't already have an account. So the next step is to start listing your property. After logging in, tap on your profile icon, usually at the bottom right. Look for the option that says become a host or list your property. This may also be in the menu under host or manage listings. Tap list your property to get started. Now follow the prompts to enter detailed information about your property like property type, location, rooms, capacity, amenities and photos. And now lastly is to set pricing and availability. Set your nightly rate for your property. Choose your calendar settings including when the property is available for booking. Set how long guests must stay, example 2-night minimum. Then add booking rules and then payment settings and review your listing. These are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.